So what's up everyone? In today's video we're going to be taking kind of a sneak peek at the camera footage, both photos and videos on the X9 Pro. Now there is some stuff I can't share with you obviously because the phone's not released yet. So when it comes to video footage of the device and my own thoughts and opinions, that's something you're going to have to wait for the full review that's going to come in about a week's time. Now something I can share with you is camera samples, both front and rear, and photos and videos. So I figured a lot of people are going to get this phone for the camera, so it's going to be very beneficial if you can see what the camera quality is like. That way you'll know if it's something that you want to get. Now although I can't share my thoughts and opinions in this video, definitely share what you think in the comments box below, and then we can see what the going consensus is between everyone's comments, if people like it, don't like it, what they think of the actual footage and the quality. Now if you do want to see the actual full review, remember to subscribe, as that's going to, like I said, be coming out in a week. All the footage you see in this video, whether it be the rear or the front facing camera, is going to be shot on the Find X9 Pro. Just like the footage you're seeing right now, it's all shot on the front facing camera at 4K 60 on the Find X9 Pro. And that also means what you're hearing is with the microphones of the Find X9 Pro. So it should definitely give you a good idea of what this phone's capable of when it comes to photos and videos. I'm going to be taking pictures with the front selfie camera, rear camera, zoom photos, normal photos, and then with the telephoto attachment as well, just to see how far you can push that telephoto zoom. So yeah, sit back, enjoy. I'll put some music on and let's take a look at some of this footage. I think I forgot to mention that obviously I'm going to be doing a full review in about a week, so if you have any questions about the Find X9 Pro that you want answered, let me know in the comments box of this video. That way I can get them answered in that full review video. Hopefully I'll leave a little section for questions to answer in that video. So yeah, if there's anything you want to know about this phone, let me know and I'll be sure to answer anything I can. So that was the footage with the front facing camera. Now we're on the rear facing camera with 4K 60 as well. And I like coming to this place because it's got a lake just over here and we can actually test that zoom because there are some buildings across the other side, and it should give us a nice view of what the zoom's capable of. So this is currently at 1x, now we're at 3x on the video, and then we're going to go up to 6x. Now we're at 6x on the video, and let's see how far we can go with the zoom. This is what it looks like when you take the zoom all the way to 18x, and this is without any telephoto attachment. This is just with the phone's lens and telephoto lens. Here we've got some more video footage. That way you can see the stabilization and stuff like that. And if I pan around, so now I'm going to put the telephoto conversion kit on, which I've got in my hand right here and I'm showing you on the screen. And just to show you some things it can actually do, how far it can actually extend the zoom and the quality you get from the actual kit. and I'll show you some photos and videos because you can actually shoot video with it as well. And one more thing I'm going to show you is video with the actual telephoto attachment. So this is with the 0.6x on the phone, just to give you a point of view of where I'm standing at the minute. And let me put the attachment on and then we'll see. I think it goes to 10x straight away. And now we're with the telephoto attachment. This is with the 10x mode. So let's see if we can go 20x and 40x. Back to 10x, try to zoom into something else, so 10x, 20, 40, and then just keep in mind how far away I actually am. So this is 10x again, and you can see the tree there, 20 and 40x. And then I brought this guy along for some portrait photos because unfortunately I haven't got anyone to take a photo of me right now. So those were the photos and video samples that I took. Hopefully it helped you out. Let me know what you thought about the quality of both in the comments box below. That way we can see everybody's different opinions. And remember, my full review of my opinions will be out in just about a week. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And while you're down there, like the video as well, because why not? As well as the full review, I may be doing a camera comparison with a certain fruit phone, which I think a lot of you are going to be interested in. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it as always, and I will catch you on the next one.